of nowhere, like
Mm-hmm.
suddenly speaking with following their accent.
Yeah, it's called adaptive social behavior. So yeah, that's why you have to be careful of the environments that you surround yourself with or that you partake in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hey, say
Say,
yeah. But yeah, that was so interesting. I wonder what that guy Edward was talking about. He was like saying he likes evil women. Like, what does that mean?
to be honest, I still was trying to figure it out.
Mm.
I mean, we have a pretty good sense of what evil woman means, right? I guess in the boundaries of social media, right?
What's that?
The typical ones are gold diggers, catfishes, right?
Mm.
Oh shit! Hell, that's a red flag.
I don't know. Like, that's kind of wild. Wait, what exactly? Say that's why I was asking for clarification.
But there's men like that though. Like they crave the drama, or women like that too.
Yeah, I have a theory that sometimes there are people who likes the toxicity and things.
Absolutely, it's not a theory. I think it's confirmed at this point.
Yeah, especially if they go through the same cycles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Unfortunate, but it is a reality for some.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I say.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What did you close the voice room?
Why did I close the voice room?
Yeah, I was like washing my face, and when I back, I saw the voice room already closed.
Oh, because I wanted to open a singing room. That's why.
Mm.
Yeah.
So, what is your type?
Huh?
What is your type?
Oh, I don't want to talk about that. It's 1 a.m. I'm just gonna listen to others.
This is topic here.
I'll just listen to you.
So let's talk about the drama things. I really is really curious. Like, do you think you will be fine, like your life without any drama, like with your family, with your friends, with your partner? Do you think it's gonna be like boring? Because I think sometimes we kind of need it, but not too much. You know what I mean?
What do you mean? You don't like peace? You want problems? Is that what you mean?
Yeah, but I don't like it. I don't like peace. Like,
Oh.
for example, if I have a partner, I feel like we have to have that kind of time when we are arguing with each other. So,
Bruh, that's so toxic. What do you mean?
no, it is like because I feel like if I have a partner and I always have like a peaceful situation with her, I think there is something wrong. There is something fake.
What?
Because there is no way like you always have the same mindset, have the same opinion, or so and like this kind of situation, like when you are arguing with your partner or with your friends, and then you can deal with that really good. You don't have to fight with each other, but just arguing, like no matter how loud you will scream, no matter how hurt your words.
I mean,
Really, like it will like kind of show your another side of you, like
You're really into hate sex or that's
the fuck.
What the hell?
No, I mean, honestly, like, I think a healthy relationship comes with arguments and disagreements sometimes, but not for you to actively seek it. Like, if you're having a peaceful time with your partner and you're trying to stir up shit,
Just enjoy it. Don't be skeptical.
No, I was thinking maybe he was talking about like civil debates, like arguments as in civil debates. I could agree with that, but as soon as you said screaming and shit, like
Exactly. Like the debate. When you debate, you have like different opinion, different argument, and then you kind of like, oh no, this is wrong.
But that's not drama. It's not drama.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for me, like I'm considering this drama.
Yeah, but the thing is, Josie, like even there, like honestly, being in a situation where you're always constantly arguing with someone, it's not really healthy. Okay? You gotta enjoy the peaceful times too.
I know. I think it's not healthy either. Like when you're being peaceful, like all the time, like 100%, you never have that kind of debate, argument. You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure, because I also experienced that, right? And I feel like if my partner or me or my friends, my family, like didn't like have like debate with me, like different opinion, different argument, they might like it just they just trying to hide it, you know.
As Say was said, you don't really have to be skeptical when things are going well. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I understand the need for disagreement sometimes because you don't want to just be agreeable all the time or to just like keep it under wraps. But like to actively seek chaos, I think that's kind of
Not seeking the chaos. I'm just saying like it's sometimes it's need. It must happen. It have to be happen.
To spice things up a little. Is that why you're saying that?
Yeah.
really.
Interesting.
Yeah, because I don't know. It just feel maybe like too boring. You know?
I think he was kind of spicy relationship.
Are you spicy?
I feel like Tozzy is like I just imagine him like there's a chaos and he just sits there with popcorn and just watches it.
I mean, I'm not a type of person that really likes to debate or something like that. I just feel sometimes it just really need, you know.
I think that's why sometimes people mistake toxicity with like passion. You know, like you can be passionate without being toxic towards one another. I think so. You can have like strong.
It doesn't have to be toxic.
Yeah, but I don't know. Like it's surprising to me because I feel like a lot of people really want to work towards like peacefulness. You know, not drama in general.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, maybe it's like a different mindset.
But I feel like I understand what Tozzy is saying as well, because like, you do get to know each other, especially in a relationship, through the obstacles, and like you see each other in like what you feel, what you do, how you react in certain situations, right?
Yeah.
But I wouldn't call it a drama still.
Yeah. It's just the way that he worded it. He said drama.
Maybe it's not a drama, yeah. But so what I mean is like this kind of situation for me, yeah, that take the relationship to next level, to like whether it's like a friendship or relationship, because when you had that kind of argument, like having a debate, a different opinion, and then you can how to say that, you can deal with that, like make peace, like oh my god, I forgot the word.
Well,
my brain is not working.
honestly, I feel like disagreements are supposed to bring people closer, not farther apart. You know?
Yeah, that depends though. That depends on what you're disagreeing about.
Yeah, it depends. But I feel like when, for example, you're going through friendships or relationships and you disagree about things, that's when you kind of know where they're really at, especially like in terms of how they manage their emotions, especially with anger. You know, like I think it's very crucial for you to understand the kind of person that you're dealing with in terms of those highs and emotions, because it's really going to show how much they value the relationship and how they also speak about things.
Yeah, but it also shows how like this is the thing as well. Like you can disagree on things, and it might be like a really big and important thing, right? But at the end of the day, it comes down to how both of the people try to find them, like try to agree in the middle, or find a way to just like
Yeah, that's what I
continue,
mean.
right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
But if they're not in that mindset, obviously that's gonna probably just like make them drift apart.
Mm-hmm. I agree. Yeah, because you can't just have conflicts without thinking of the resolution. I feel like,
Exactly.
yeah, that's why like a lot of people get stuck in like the fights. It's
Mhm.
like, if you really care about that relationship or that friendship, like what is it that you need to do moving forward so that it won't happen again or something.
Mm.
You know?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think, JJ, Jenny?
Uh-huh.
What do you think about it?
Sorry, I was not focusing the conversation.
I was just thinking about hate sex.
What the
Oh
hell?
my gosh.
I don't know. I don't really like argue in relationship, and then I think a best boyfriend will be like
Lydia.
have to be like best friend of me. So love, like a friendship, is important than love, I think.
I don't know. Okay, for me, this
Huh?
is I'm not gonna go too deep into this, but I feel like the core values, right? And one of the core values that carries on to today's society is political standards. And it doesn't matter where you are because it's a democracy, right? I respect both sides, but unless you are on par with that in terms of political standards, I don't think there's any way you can get along or at least have a serious long-term relationship. So far with my serious relationships, I think that's the one that was either it wasn't like a must for me, like she has to have the same standards that I do, but if she's on the complete opposite side, it never worked out.
Why is political thing is so important when you bring it to a relationship?
Because it ultimately it's the one aspect that's ultimately going to impact both of our lives, right? So it's inevitable where it comes to a point where, oh, I'm going to vote for this guy or that guy, and you saying that says a lot. You may not agree 100% about who you're voting for, right? But you're basically at least saying, okay, I like this guy better than that guy. That's the least you're saying, right? But once you do that and you continue that conversation on a deeper level, there are conflicts that cannot be solved.
Okay, I understand because it might have like a different kind of value, like whether it's in well, yeah, I do agree. It's like you said, it's really like the core things, right? Like political value because but you know, uh, if you're also talking about the voting things, but some people don't really care about like
I think
politics.
Yeah, I think it depends on what a person values in a relationship. It just probably happens for Jet that it's something that he really needs to be able to talk to with his partner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because my last relationship, she was saying, "Oh, if you vote for that guy, that's a deal breaker." I'm like, "That's the
What
first.
the?
That's the first time in my life where I thought, oh, okay, democracy is not a thing for her, right? Like she doesn't understand the concept of democracy."
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's kind of too much.
Yeah, it's just, I don't know. Sometimes people say these things, but they don't really understand the impact of what they're saying. And, it kind of makes you rethink about certain things.
I don't think it's a deal breaker, to be honest. Like, I understand where you're coming from, but at the end of the day, I think it also still comes down to how you value politics. Like, politics shouldn't be a priority in life, right? And like, even if, let's say, you're voting for one person at a certain point of your life, sometimes people change. You find things about them. Like, it's politics. It's bound to be, you know, like, you need to doubt it regardless, right? So it shouldn't be a deal breaker. I understand it is with some people, but it shouldn't be.
Yeah. Honestly, like, what I care about is the person and how they view the world. Because whether or not we would like to admit it, the kind of person that we choose to be our partner is going to be with us more closer than others. So they're going to be like a great influence on how we also view the world and also like how we interact with others. And it's very essential to be very selective about that.
But yeah, maybe some people seeing like a politics on that deep level, like because it's kind of makes sense though. Like if you have like the different opinion or different view about the political, that which one that you kind of like support, is like you can also go anywhere with that, right? You can like talk about the life and everything. I don't know how to explain it in English. Oh my god! But
No, you explain it well. I agree with you.
okay, I explain better, Olivia, if you agree with me. Go ahead.
No, because for some people, like, the political topics is so related to their life and their values, and it affects their lives so much. Like, it's something they care so much about. And if they think, like, my partner doesn't have those same values, they don't care about the same things, they don't view humanity the same way, or